Hey YouTube, it's your girl Queen K, and I am back with another video. And today's video is going to be a little late, people would say, but it's my vision board for my future, basically for the next 365 days. So stick around and check out how I do my vision board for free on Canva. Okay guys, so we start with the Canva website and we're going to go to a blank page. I'm going to go ahead and just use the YouTube thumbnail because I like the shape of that. I can't remember the exact dimensions, but it's just perfect for the vision board. So once I get the blank page pulled up, I go over to Pinterest because it is free, and there I am going to search for what I want to put on my vision board. From there, I'm going to right click and save image. Save image as, I'm sorry. I'm going to save it onto a folder. I'm actually going to create a new folder. I'm using a Mac, just for you guys to know. So I'm creating a new folder, of course, tiling it vision board. So that way, going forward with all my other photos that I will be saving, they'll all be under the same folder and easy for me to upload. So once I got the photo saved, now I'm going to upload it into Canva. I'm just going to hit the upload and then find my folder and then go ahead and select open. Once it uploads, it takes usually about 2 seconds to fully upload. I'm just going to drag it onto my blank screen. Once it's onto my blank screen, at this point, it's all about you and your preference of sizing it. Whatever size you want, you can always change the size, especially once you get more pictures on there for it to become the way that you would like it to look. So as you see, I'm just sizing it up, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the spot where I would like it to be. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead back to Pinterest, and then I'm going to go ahead and just start searching for the remaining of my photos. So let you guys just take a look and see how I got this done, and I'll be back at the end. Okay, so I am fully completed with my vision board, and I am so excited of how it turned out. And I got everything that I loved, and my goals for the full year of the vision board. I am thinking about doing a quarterly vision board, but I'm not sure yet on how I feel about that. But once I've got it fully done, I just went ahead and saved it. And I actually saved it to my desktop for my desktop background. So that way I can always have a constant reminder of looking at it on my laptop and on my phone as well. Just to go through a couple of the things, as you can see, of course, debt free is one of them. Definitely want to get more better of braiding my hair, protecting my hair. That's one. I do want to actually start a personal training business. Definitely want to get into that fitness industry. So that's one of my goals. Also, as you can see, I do want to reach at least 5,000 subscribers on my YouTube and my Instagram. I don't want to go too crazy and say, oh, I want 10,000, because I do want to start small and work my way up. That way it feels better of reaching my goals. I do want to have side hustles, travel more, healthy hair, things like that. I do want to be able to get more comfortable in dressing, have more confidence in myself, keep up my maintenance of self-care, and eventually I do want to get the house of my dreams. We are planning on moving sometime this year, so that's why there's a picture of a house, because I do want to be able to get the house basically of my dreams to live in, more spacious than where we're staying right now. And final thing is, I just want a happy marriage, like happily married, even though I'm not saying I'm not happily married now, but I just wanted to continue. So yeah, that is my vision board, and I thank you guys for staying to check it out. And I will see you next time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me guys know what some of the things you're going to put on your vision board, what you want to be seeing accomplished in the 2025. Bye.